Hi everybody, this is solving linear equations, rewriting equations and formulas. Okay, problem number one, we're going to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides, or add 9x to both sides. Excuse me, because it was minus 9x. Divide everything by 3. Number 3, we're going to go ahead and solve for y. So it's almost solved for y. So I get 3x. I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. So I get negative 4 equals negative 4y. Divide everything by negative 4. So I get negative 3/4 x plus 1 equals y. Number 5, let's go ahead and clear the denominator. So I'm going to multiply all 4 terms by 5. So I get 15 plus y is equal to 10x plus 20. I'm going to subtract the 15 from both sides. So I get 10x plus 5. Number 7, I want to solve this equation for x. So the first thing on here is I need to factor an x out of both those terms because they have x in common. So I get 4 plus 5y. And I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide by that whole chunk. So g over x, or over 4 plus 5y is equal to x. My number 9 didn't show up real well, so I'm not going to work that one out. I apologize. It's probably going to be nice and clear on your worksheet. Let's see, we're solving this one for x, so I'm going to factor an x out of both those. So I get a minus b is equal to k, and I'm going to divide each side by a minus b, so I get k over a minus b. You can keep it in parentheses, but you don't have to. Just make sure that's all in the denominator. Number 13, we're solving for y, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And then I'm going to divide everything by 2. Number 15, we're going to go ahead and solve for y. So I have just subtract, so I get 2/5 x, and then if I multiply 2/5 times that, I get negative 20 over 5, which is negative 4. If I added 3 to that, that's going to give me a 1 there. Number 17, we want to solve for h, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, so I get 2a over here equals hb plus big B. I'm going to divide both sides by the b's, so I get 2a over b plus b equals h. Number 19, I want to solve for L. So I'm going to subtract the pi r squared equals 2 pi rl. Divide everything by 2 pi rl, so I get s over 2 pi rl minus, if I divide this by 2 pi rl, I'm going to lose one of my r's, so and the pi's also cancel, so I'm going to get r over 2, and I didn't want the L there, I want the L by itself, equals L. And 21's a bonus, so ask your teacher about that one.